What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and today I feel like we've got something really interesting. So check this out. I got my hands on a pair of earbuds that I know you've never seen before. So the folks over at Duolink sent this thing over before it actually came out, and I'll have a link to the Kickstarter page that this thing is going to be a part of down below in the description for you guys to jump on it. But I will say, I was actually pretty hyped to get my hands on these because I've never seen a pair of earbuds quite like these. So let's do a quick unboxing, show you guys what you get inside of the box if you decide to pick one of these up. Okay, so let's pop this thing open. Some pretty nice packaging. Pretty simple stuff. You guys can kind of get a sneak peek of what it looks like over here. Nothing really too crazy about the box though, so let's get this thing open. You are so cool for choosing Duolink. Yes, I am. So here we have it. This is the actual earbuds, but we'll get to this in a second. You're like, that doesn't look like a pair of earbuds, but it is. And what else do we have? Pretty standard stuff, I'm sure. Paperwork, and of course, a USB cable. Now it does use USB Type-C, so that's a huge bonus. We definitely like that in 2020. And we have some instructions over here, which are actually kind of important because, like I said, this is pretty much a new product type. So you might want to learn how to use it. I mean, that's really it for the box, right? Should we just jump right into it? So here we've got it, the Duolink speaker buds. So let me blow your mind a little bit, guys. This right here is the charging case. This is the charging case, and the earbuds are actually right here. So you pop these guys out and boom, you've got your earbuds. Like I said, charging case. Oh snap, it automatically started playing my Drake. Now what we're looking at, guys, are a pair of truly wireless earbuds that we are all familiar with. What's nice is that these also have an in-ear portion with a silicone tip so that it can stay inside of your ears. Thankfully, these are the only kind of earbuds I can use, so I need those in-ear tips. And what's nice about these is that they've also got a little silicone part up here, which will allow it to stay in your ear. So it has like that wing tip built into it so that it can have a better fit when you're putting them on. It can stay nice and secure. Now what's also kind of cool is that right here, we have a touch panel. So like we've seen with like high-end headphones with a touch panel, you can actually control your audio with this. You can play and pause, swipe the volume to go up or down. I think you can even skip tracks, call your voice assistant, all that good stuff. You have access to all of those controls right here on the side. And on a single charge, you'll get about 4.5 hours of battery life until, of course, you pop it inside of the case so you can get more. Now we're looking at the blue version, but it also comes in a white and red color option as well. Now this is by no means a review, but I know I have a lot of fellow headphone lovers out there who are probably curious about the sound. And I gotta say, these have a pretty full sound, got some pretty decent bass to it. It definitely does get really loud. So I actually am pretty impressed by the sound quality that you get out of these, especially considering its price, but we'll talk about pricing and all that a little bit later. Now you're probably wondering, what makes these so special, Jed? Why is this a new product type? What's the big deal? Let me show you guys. You know what? Carl, you wanna come over here real quick? I'm gonna show you guys alongside Carl. Okay, so we got Carl over here. Carl, you've never seen these before.
Nope.
Yo, take off those shoes. You're making me look way too short right now. Okay, so you've never seen earbuds like these before.
No, I haven't.
But these are the Duolinks. Now, you've seen truly wireless earbuds before, right?
Yes.
So you know they're separate, you put them in your ears, yada, yada. All right, now you know that they usually have a charging case. Boom. So we got the charging case over here, right? Oh. Now, when you're done using them or you need to charge them up, you just throw them in here, right?
Yeah.
Boom. You're done, right?
That case looked nice.
The case looks nice, right?
It does.
Let me show you something.
Stuck inside a crib on my own.
What? That's fire.
So the actual case is a speaker.
Wow.
So
that's dope.
That's dope, right? Because listen, you guys, we've seen so many truly wireless earbuds with just like these standard cases. They don't do anything special. Sometimes they have wireless charging, but that's as good as it gets. This is something we've never seen before. It actually gives the earbuds some life or some usage while it's tucked away and being charged. Like, It's not just done.
This is a game changer.
This is dope, right? So basically, let's take a seat. The idea here is like, let's say you're going to the beach, you're going somewhere where like on a picnic, whatever, you know, you go into the backyard, you want to play some music, you can put the earbuds away, you already have a built-in Bluetooth speaker with you because you have your earbuds with you. So it can get pretty loud too, which is nice. So let's actually try that. Hey. So that's basically the idea here. I'm actually kind of curious how this sounds outside. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, so let's say you're outside, you're using your speakers. Let's give it a listen, huh? Let's throw on some lo-fi hip hop beats. And I'm not gonna lie, even for like chill music like this,
It's pretty loud.
It's
I
loud,
was thinking that. I'm
right?
like, it's really shocking how loud it is.
and there's like actual bass coming from it too, which is nice. All right, let me blow your mind.
Okay.
Again, it's actually surprisingly good for outdoors,
Honestly.
considering its size.
Yeah.
I know me personally, I don't really like using Bluetooth speakers when I'm watching something because you put it over here and all the audio is coming from like this side on the right or on the left. It's just not how you want to hear your content, right? But with the dual link speaker buds, you could take them apart, right? And then it automatically goes into stereo mode.
The capacity to speak for the rest
So
of the
you can
video.
just go ahead and watch something and you
Wait
got
a
it on
minute,
both sides.
make-
Now, I love this feature. This feature to me it's one of those kind of things. You would never think to have your charging case be a Bluetooth speaker that actually like splits apart and you can use it in all these different modes. But for me, this like stereo speaker mode, that's everything. Like if I had like, let's see, my iPad, I had this synced up to it. I'm actually watching content on a bigger screen. I'm taking this outside or something. This is a dope setup. And even when it's like this, you still get like really, really loud speakers. It distributes the audio really well. It sounds
So
clean.
a sword and shield to
It
slay.
sounds the same as if it was
MSI.
connected. Like, because you would think that because it's not together, it's lower or something.
Yeah.
But it does sound the same.
It sounds really good and it's even. And what's nice is when you've got it like this and you're watching whatever you're watching in the middle, it sounds like it's coming from the device. It doesn't have like this weird, oh, I'm only on the left or I'm only on the right side. I personally just think it's actually pretty dope. And what's nice is you can also still control a lot of your audio with the earbuds, even though they're inside. So right now I can just like swipe down to bring the volume down, or I can swipe up to bring it up. It still works. I like it. I think it's cool. What you think, Carl?
I'm still trying to process.
I think that's kind of dope. You have like 3 products in one, and that's why they're called the dual link speaker buds. Like you've got the earbuds, that's one. You've got the standard Bluetooth speaker, and then you've got like the stereo speaker system that you can just kind of pull apart. Now, Carl, how much would you say this costs? What would you price it at?
At least 200.
Nah, it's actually cheaper than that. So the standard retail price is $150, but if you go onto their Kickstarter page, like I said, we'll have link down below in the description. I believe the early bird special is $89.99. And if you get the super early bird special, it's $79.99. For me, this is easily gonna be something that can go in my gadget backpack just because of the stereo speaker mode. Like, you don't really get that kind of feature with pretty much any Bluetooth speakers or anything. You'd have to carry around 2, but you get that with just this one and you still get that really compact size. Hey Siri, cut it out. It's dope though. Not to mention when you're using it in speaker mode, I think they can go as far as 16 feet apart and you still get that stereo sound effect. But this thing is versatile, guys. If you're interested in checking them out, like I said a million times, they're gonna be linked down below in the description. But that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about, I guess, this like new product type where you got like Bluetooth earbuds and Bluetooth speakers fused into one. I think this is the best use of a charging case we've ever seen in tech so far. So I'm impressed. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. Peace.
Peace.
It don't matter.